Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina, and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today I'm starting my vlog out with a full face of makeup and my hair done. Who am I? I'm in relaxing clothes. You're gonna see, look at that baby bump. I'm getting so round. I'm almost 17 weeks pregnant and I'm popping, y'all. But I have some things I need to get done today, so I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along. This is just a typical Monday for me. As per usual, I had ordered grocery pickup for today. I can't speak, so I'm going to be putting the clip in for that, going over a grocery haul for you guys. I did that this morning, and then I decided to take some time to pamper myself because, one, I have no energy. My energy is gone. I haven't been feeling well. I've not been in a good mental state, so I decided today I was going to exfoliate my skin, I was going to shave, I was going to lotion and moisturize my whole body, and I was going to do my hair and makeup because I haven't done that in a while. So I did that, and even though I'm in comfortable clothes right now, I'm still gonna get stuff done, and I'm leaving the house today. I'm gonna go to a nearby town, and I'm gonna go to Ross and maybe Goodwill if I have time, and do some shopping for myself and for baby, and then I'm gonna go have dinner with my in-laws. Jacob is working today, so he will not be there, but I decided that I'm gonna do stuff today to make myself happy because I can feel myself getting in a really low point mentally, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna enter the clips from the grocery haul this morning, and then I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. So this is an overview of the grocery haul for this week. I don't normally do these because I don't want people coming for me, but I'm going to explain how I do groceries and how I do our meal prepping because it works really well for us. So each week I plan out meals for the week. I usually do 5 to 6 meals, but this week I'm only doing 5, I think, because we're having dinner with his parents tonight. So this is kind of an overview of what we're having for dinner, and I will go over each of the ingredients to talk about why I got them and stuff like that, because I base our grocery list off of what we're eating that week so that we don't have a lot of extra stuff because we were using a lot of food and getting food that we weren't using. Glance at everything that I got again. I'm gonna try to go over each thing real quickly just to show you guys. Bread, because we're almost out, and then I also thought that we could have grilled cheese with our chili. I got these creamy chicken rice things because I saw on TikTok that people are making chicken and rice with them, and I wanted to try that recipe. We're almost out of eggs, chili powder because we needed it. These are great for little lunch menu meals. They're super quick and easy, and they're not super hard to make because in the mornings I'm just not feeling it a lot of the time. I got our meat, I got our hamburger for our chili, and then chicken for 2 of our meals because we're having 2 chicken meals this week. I wanted to get these green peppers. I only got one because I'm not sure I'm gonna like it, but everyone is doing the pepper and cream cheese on TikTok, and I really wanted to try that, so I got that to try it. We already have cream cheese. And then I got all this canned stuff. Some of it is for we're having mini pot pies this week, which these are for the mini pot pies and the corn and the cream of chicken, and then we're also gonna be making our own chili, so I got stuff for that. These beef stews are really good again for a quick lunch. And then we go through a lot of drinks in this house, so I always try to stock up on water, green tea, and Dr. So now I'm going to package up an Etsy order. I actually had a really good week this week with Etsy orders. I put 2 new sticker designs and a new product, acrylic pens, and I had a Labor Day sale this weekend, and it actually went really, really well, so I'm very pleasantly surprised. This person actually ordered this morning, so I'm going to try to get this shipped out tomorrow for them, and they ordered my new sticker, my babe with a mobility aid. If you guys haven't checked out my Etsy shop, I will leave it linked below. If you purchase from me, I really appreciate it. It's helping me support my little bean, and it's helping me be able to afford things when I'm staying home, so I really appreciate the support. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and package this up real quick so that we can get out of here because it's already 4 o'clock and I have to be at dinner at 7:30, so I got to hurry. I apologize if you can hear the air. It's very hot outside right now. Clearly I'm losing my mind because I forgot today is Labor Day and the mail doesn't run. So I have a whole stack of things that need to be picked up from the post office tomorrow. So I'm just gonna add that Etsy package to that because the mail's not gonna go out until I pick it up anyway. So that's what I'm doing. And then I also forgot a bag of medical supplies that I keep on the back of my wheelchair in the house, and I am not going back in to get it because it's 90 degrees outside and I am out of breath and hot. So thankfully I carry extra in my purse, but we're gonna go now. I feel like I made a bad decision to get out on a hot day, but I need this. I know that I'm probably gonna get some smack for this, but I have to stop and get something to eat. I didn't feel very good. I'm still not feeling very good, but I feel like I need to get something in my system. So I grabbed KFC. KFC is like been my craving, and the KFC is like 30 minutes away from us, so I don't ever get to eat it. I know KFC is kind of trash, but I'm kind of trash. Well, anyway, they put fries in there. I didn't know that I was getting fries, but I didn't even know they had fries. So I'm gonna try these on camera for the first time. Okay, those fries are actually kind of good. I probably won't eat a lot of them because I don't want to eat too much because my tummy is very upset. That's why I got the Sierra Mist. I'm hoping that it will calm my tummy down. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and relax. This is seriously what pregnancy is. I do one thing and then I'm like, oh, I need to relax. I need to take a breather. Like I drove for 30 minutes, gotta take a nap. It's quite exhausting because I never get anything done because I'm literally just recouping from the one thing that I did at the beginning of the morning. I hate it so much, but I mean, it's part of it. I'm happy to be growing a human. I'm just ready to have energy. The second trimester was supposed to bring energy. I don't want to complain, but you know, like when you get really stoked about eating something and then you find out that they messed up your order and it's super messy. I wanted the chicken littles and I got a big chicken sandwich and they put pickles on it. I took the pickles off, obviously, but I'm definitely gonna have a hard time eating this. It's already leaking all over me. I got in and out of Ross very quickly because I had to pee and their bathroom was closed down, so I had to go somewhere else to go pee real quick. But I wanted to show you guys kind of what I picked up. I didn't pick up very much because, like I said, I was trying to hurry to get in and out of there, but I'm going to show you what I got anyway. I've been needing new razors, so I picked up these. These were $5.49, and I really like these razors. They're probably some of my favorites. I feel like they are the best. Then I picked up this little lip gloss chapstick thing because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon on my Instagram and I wanted to get something for that. Picked up these razors because I use them to shave my peach fuzz off my face and I needed new ones because they were going dull, my old ones were. Then I picked up some wipes for Baby Bear. I also use wipes. I'm trying to stockpile wipes. I know that I'll probably get a lot of them at my baby shower, but I use wipes too, so we go through them very quickly at the house. So this is just a little 3-pack here of Pampers Sensitive. I thought that would be good to try out because I don't know if my baby's sensitive or not. And then I wanted to get some baby wash. This is the Johnson Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo. I thought, I don't know, people may get me baby wash at the baby shower, but I'm starting to get kind of like panicky because I don't have anything bought for my baby yet and I feel like I need to start buying things. So I got those. The next things I got are big things, which kind of interesting. I got these storage baskets because for Baby Bear's nursery, it's just gonna be black and have like fake plants and stuff like that. One, that goes with the wall that we have up, and two, it's gender neutral. I'm not real big on pink and blues, depending on what the baby is. It goes with our style, and we don't have to repaint that wall. So I just got these to store lotions, diapers, wipes, all that stuff in there, and I can start organizing the nursery now, which makes me kind of happy. I got this tong set because we need tongs for the house. We don't have any, so I picked up this pair. They're just pretty basic tongs. The last thing that I got is this little cutting board. We needed another cutting board at our house, and I thought this one was small enough that it would be easier for me to use. So I picked it up, and if you guys know, our kitchen and our living room really has like a wood and white theme, so this went perfectly. So that's everything that I got at Ross, and now it's about 6 o'clock. Like I said, I had dinner at 7:30. It's about a 30-minute drive back home, so I'm probably gonna go back home and head over to my in-laws. But first I'm gonna get some Starbucks because I really want a pumpkin. I don't get spiced lattes because I don't like coffee, but I get a pumpkin cream frappuccino and it's so good. So I'm gonna head over to Starbucks and get that really quick.
Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Crystal. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks so much for asking. What can I get started for you?
Can I have a grande pumpkin cream frappuccino? The pumpkin spice cream frappuccino? And
I really don't want to disappoint you, but we did run out of our pumpkin sauce to make any kind of pumpkin cream. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Then can I do the white chocolate? I think there's one like a white chocolate one.
The white chocolate mocha frap?
Yeah, but just make it cream.
Yeah, let me change that for you. Perfect. And what size was that one?
Can I just do a tall on that?
Yeah, you got it.
And then do you guys have the Fox cake pops?
We do, yeah.
I want one of those, and then do you have the pumpkin scones?
Let me double check. Give me
Okay.
1 second.
Will be it. Thank you.
Awesome. That's going to be 1077. We'll see you at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Lighting's really bad here, but I don't know where else to park, so we're just gonna have to get bad lighting. But look how freaking cute this is. I've never had this before. I just think it's really cute, so I want to try it. Okay, that was amazing. I ate it all, and now I want to eat the pumpkin scone, but I think I'm gonna wait because I've never had pumpkin scones either. But that's a sugar overload that I don't want to get. Maybe I should just try it. I should just try it. I'm gonna try it. Hang on. Okay, I already got a little bit of this, and I don't like it. I like the pumpkin scone too. That's really good. Very warm and cozy feeling, if that makes any sense. But I'm not gonna eat it all. I'm gonna save it for later because this is a big ass scone, and I don't want to have overload of sugar. So, all right, I'm gonna head to my in-laws now. It is hot outside, so it's about 9:45 and I just got home, and this one is very angry because they get fed at 9 o'clock and I am late. He was waiting for me on the couch when I got home, watching for my car, so I'm gonna feed them really quick and then I'm gonna start unpacking stuff, and then I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I am not feeling it. I'm very tired and exhausted. So I wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give me a thumbs up and make sure to leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.